Every McClure shuffleboard table begins with locally grown hard rock maple. Each board is carefully ripped to size on equipment that has been part of our shop for decades. Machines built to last and still performing with precision. From there, the boards move through our glue roller and into our radio frequency press. The process bonds the maple evenly and creates the stability required for a true 3-inch playboard. We're one of the few manufacturers who still glue up their own shuffleboard tops in-house. Alongside with that legacy equipment, we invest in modern precision, including advanced planing systems and a German wide belt sander that ensures a perfectly flat and consistent surface. Craftsmanship and technology working together. Each board is then precisely marked using a laser engraver for accuracy and consistency. Finally, we apply our traditional polyester finish with a polyurethane top coat, a multi-step process designed for durability and speed and long-term performance. You can hear the difference when the puck glides across a hard rock maple on a traditional finished board. McClure Tables, made with pride in America.